Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle. Imagine a car that harnesses the power of the sun to fuel your daily commute. Meet the Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle, a revolutionary design in sustainable transportation. With its sleek, aerodynamic shape and lightweight construction, the Aptera is built for maximum energy efficiency. Every curve and contour is carefully designed to reduce drag and improve performance. But what truly sets the Aptera apart is its integrated solar panel system. These panels can generate enough electricity to meet most of the vehicle's daily energy needs. In sunny conditions, this means the Aptera could potentially run entirely on solar power. Available in multiple configurations, the Aptera offers impressive range capabilities. On a single charge, it can travel over 1,000 miles, making it one of the most efficient electric vehicles available today. The advanced electric drive system ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Inside, the Aptera boasts a spacious, high-tech interior equipped with modern features for comfort and convenience. This vehicle isn't just about efficiency, it's about embracing an eco-friendly lifestyle. By blending solar energy with electric power, the Aptera paves the way for the future of sustainable transportation. The Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle isn't just a car, it's a vision of what transportation can and should be. A step towards cleaner roads, reduced emissions, and a brighter, greener future. Yamaha Tricera Concept. The Yamaha Tricera Concept is a unique vehicle that blends the features of a car and a motorcycle. This three-wheeled, open-top electric autocycle is designed to offer a new kind of urban mobility. It promises an exciting driving experience. One of the standout features of the Tricera is its three-wheel steering. This allows the vehicle to make tight turns, making it perfect for navigating city streets. The design also features a full open cockpit. It provides a motorcycle-like open-air experience but with the added benefit of no need to balance or countersteer. Another impressive feature is the rear-wheel steering. In manual mode, it offers a rewarding experience as drivers learn new driving skills and gain a sense of accomplishment. Although Yamaha hasn't revealed the powertrain details, the Tricera is expected to be a powerful vehicle. The Tricera concept was showcased at Event Name, where it caught the attention of urban mobility enthusiasts. Nestbox Camper. Transforming hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs into mobile living spaces. Imagine turning your everyday vehicle into a fully functional camper in just minutes. The Nestbox Camper is designed to transform hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs into comfortable mobile living spaces with ease. Setting it up is quick and simple. The modular design allows you to install and remove it without hassle. It includes a removable gas cooker, a sink, and an 18-liter water tank equipped with a 12-volt electric pump. One of its standout features is the folding bed frame. It maximizes the width of your vehicle, ensuring a comfortable sleeping space for two people. The clever, puzzle-like assembly system ensures everything fits together seamlessly. At a price of $3,900, the Nestbox Camper offers a practical and cost-effective alternative to traditional RVs. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or extended road trips, this compact camper setup provides both convenience and comfort. Experience the freedom of mobile living without the need for a dedicated RV. With the Nestbox Camper, every journey becomes an adventure. Duo and Bento. Innovative electric quadricycles by Renault Group. The Duo and Bento are two electric quadricycles developed by Renault Group's Mobilize brand. These vehicles are designed to tackle the challenges of urban mobility. The Duo is a sleek, two-seater vehicle that offers a top speed of 50 miles per hour. It has a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Despite its compact size, it's equipped with modern features like air conditioning, heated seats, and sliding doors that make getting in and out easier. The Bento, on the other hand, is built for utility. It has a spacious 649-liter cargo box, making it ideal for city deliveries. Whether you're transporting goods or just running errands, the Bento provides plenty of room. Both the Duo and Bento are eco-friendly. They are made from over 40% recycled materials and are designed to be at least 95% recyclable at the end of their life cycle. This makes them a sustainable choice for urban transportation. The central driving position is a unique feature of both vehicles. They also offer digital key sharing capabilities, adding to their convenience. Whether you're using the Duo for daily commuting or the Bento for deliveries, both vehicles provide practical, environmentally conscious solutions for modern urban life. In summary, the Duo and Bento are more than just vehicles. They are a step toward greener, smarter transportation that blends convenience with sustainability. Seabreacher, the ultimate watercraft adventure. The Seabreacher is a unique watercraft that blends the thrill of a jet ski with the agility of a dolphin. It's not a full submarine, but it can partially submerge, offering an exciting aquatic experience. You can speed across the water's surface and dive beneath it. The Seabreacher is controlled with handlebars and foot pedals, just like a jet ski. Its special wing design ensures smooth, sharp turns and allows for impressive barrel rolls. Powered by a powerful Rotex engine, it reaches speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, about 80 kilometers per hour. There are 3 models available, X, Y, and Z, catering to different preferences. The Seabreacher offers a one-of-a-kind water adventure. However, there are a few things potential buyers should consider. It has a high price tag of around $75,000. Availability is limited because it's not mass-produced. Additionally, many regions require training and a boater's license before using it. Revo Hubless E-Bike Review. A new era in electric cycling. The Revo Hubless e-bike offers a unique and futuristic design with its hubless wheels. This innovative feature not only gives it an eye-catching look but also provides a different riding experience. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, the bike can peak at 500 watts. This allows it to reach a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for city commuting. The bike's 158 watt-hours lithium-ion battery can take you up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. This range makes it a great option for daily use, whether you're heading to work or running errands. For added security, the Revo Hubless e-bike comes with a fingerprint lock, so you can easily secure it without worrying about traditional keys. It also has integrated lighting, ensuring you're visible while riding, especially at night. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some riders have mentioned that the bike feels heavier than expected, which could be a factor if you need to carry it or maneuver it frequently. The ball bearings in the hubless wheels can also make the bike a bit noisier compared to traditional e-bikes. Another point to note is that the battery needs to be removed for charging, which may be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, the upright riding position might not be as comfortable as other e-bikes, depending on your personal preferences. In summary, the Revo Hubless e-bike combines cutting-edge design with practical features. It's perfect for those looking for a stylish, modern e-bike for urban commuting. However, potential buyers should consider its weight, noise, and the battery charging process before making a purchase. Cubcrafters X Cub. The Cubcrafters X Cub is a modern bush plane designed to offer the perfect balance of performance and comfort. It's built to handle the toughest conditions while ensuring a smooth, enjoyable flying experience. One of its standout features is its remarkable short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities. Whether you're flying into a small airstrip or a rugged backcountry area, the X Cub makes it look easy. With a useful load of nearly 1,100 pounds, it can carry plenty of gear, making it perfect for a variety of missions, from hunting trips to camping excursions. Inside the cockpit, the experience is both intuitive and comfortable. The controls are smooth, and the ergonomics are designed to reduce pilot fatigue, so you can focus on the flight ahead. It's a plane that offers both ease and excitement in the air. The X Cub is also highly versatile when it comes to landing gear options. You can choose from tailwheel gear or floats, depending on the terrain you'll be flying over. This flexibility means you can confidently fly into a wide range of environments, whether it's a grassy field or a lake. For navigation, the X Cub comes equipped with the advanced Garmin G3X avionics suite. This system includes features like terrain alerting, synthetic vision, and a dual-axis autopilot. These tools enhance safety and make flying easier, even in challenging conditions. With a maximum speed of 160 miles per hour and a range of 800 miles, the X Cub is built for adventure. It's a reliable, high-performance aircraft that gives pilots the comfort they need to explore the skies with confidence.
Spiritus Lyra Roadster. Step into the future of automotive luxury with the Spiritus Lyra Roadster, a masterpiece of performance and design. This roadster isn't just built for speed, it's crafted for an unforgettable driving experience. With advanced electric propulsion, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and a lightweight carbon fiber body, the Spiritus Lyra delivers both power and efficiency. Every drive feels like a victory lap. The sleek exterior and futuristic interior set it apart from anything else on the road. Precision engineering ensures that this car isn't just fast, it's smart, innovative, and ahead of its time. While pricing details remain undisclosed, one thing is certain: the Spiritus Lyra Roadster is designed for those who demand the best in automotive technology and luxury. Embrace the future of driving. Experience the Spiritus Lyra Roadster.
Bodyfriend Phantom Rovo. The Bodyfriend Phantom Rovo isn't just a massage chair. It's a masterpiece of advanced technology designed for ultimate relaxation. At its core is finger-moving technology, which mimics real hand movements. It adjusts in tiny 1.25mm increments, delivering a precise and delicate massage. The chair is equipped with 15 industry-leading sensors to ensure safety and efficiency. Features like low-temperature burn protection, a remote control lock, and power failure protection buttons add an extra layer of reliability. Each leg unit has its own independent drive system, allowing for deeper stretching and improved flexibility. For added comfort, heated massage balls in the back, calves, and soles provide soothing warmth, melting away tension. The airbag system is strategically designed to expand and wrap around the body. This ensures refreshing compression therapy across every key area. Developed to meet the growing demand for health and wellness, the Bodyfriend Phantom Rovo isn't just a chair, it's an investment in self-care. Whether you're someone who spends hours standing or sitting, this chair offers the perfect solution for relieving fatigue and rejuvenating your body. Relax, recharge, and experience the future of wellness with the Bodyfriend Phantom Rovo.
Culver Mobility offers a new level of freedom in personal transportation. Their high-quality electric mobility scooters are designed for comfort, safety, and style. These scooters are perfect for those who want to stay independent in their daily travels. With a powerful battery, they can go up to 25 miles on a single charge, so users don't have to worry about frequent recharging. Culver Mobility provides different models that can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and support weights up to 500 pounds. These scooters are built for stability and ease of use, making them great for parks, shops, and neighborhoods. With prices starting at $1,200, Culver Mobility scooters offer an affordable, efficient, and dignified way for people to stay active and mobile.
Traxxas Disruptor. The Traxxas Disruptor is a high-performance RC boat designed for thrill seekers. Priced at $350, this boat is built for speed and durability. With a 26-inch reinforced deep V hull, it's made from lightweight, injection-molded ABS plastic. This ensures both strength and fast performance. The VXL4S marine speed control and brushless outrunner motor power the boat to speeds over 40 miles per hour. The boat is powered by a 4S LiPo battery, providing plenty of energy for long sessions. It also features Traxxas Rapid Right self-righting system, which helps the boat recover quickly from flips. A patented waterproof receiver box protects the electronics from water damage, ensuring longevity. The modular electronics tray and foam seal keep water out, making the boat reliable for extended use on the water. The Disruptor also comes with a TQ 2.4 GHz radio system. This allows you to control the boat with precision, and the programmable drive profiles make it easy to customize how the boat handles. A high-torque waterproof servo further enhances control and smooth handling. In summary, the Traxxas Disruptor combines cutting-edge design with innovative technology. It delivers an unparalleled RC boating experience, perfect for anyone looking to push the limits on the water.
AO Scooter Bike. The AO Scooter Bike is a unique hybrid that combines scootering, skating, and biking into one exciting ride. Designed for both active commuters and thrill seekers, this lightweight two-wheeler offers a fun, low-impact workout as you zip around town. Unlike traditional scooters, the AO blends the balance of a bike with the swift movements of skating, creating a dynamic riding experience. It can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making it a great option for city commutes or a leisurely ride through the park. Easy to maneuver and suitable for all fitness levels, the AO is compact and portable, making it simple to store or carry when needed. With a price tag of approximately $500, it's an affordable and fun way to stay active while getting around. perfect for those who want something different in their daily routine.